Yo, what's up, man? ABZ, AB, IGZ from the 323Z, all that good shit. I'm old as fuck. Quick little video. It's a Sunday today. I'm gonna do a quick little video, analyzing the market real quick, see what I could do with that. I don't want to make it too long. I'm probably gonna spend like 15 minutes or something like that. So let's get into it. Let's just dive into it. Yo, boy. Fuck that. All right. So Euro USD. This is what we got. So usually what I like doing is I'll go on the daily and just kind of see the overall trend, see what's happening, see what's happening. So obviously we're coming down. We're coming from a downtrend. There's a major rejection on this daily zone right here. And after that, I just kind of zoom in, and then I just have just because when I see all this, this is low key irrelevant right now. So I just kind of like to hone in right here and then see what I got going on right here. And I hope that this video comes out too with my face at the corner. I'm not sure if it will, but fuck it. Yeah, so then I just kind of focus on what we got going on right here. Let's get a little closer. So obvious rejection right here is made a higher low. So let's go into the 4-hour, get some more information on this real quick. Get some more data. So yeah, I'm gonna delete this just because you see how the market is just kind of, it's just not even respecting this zone anymore. It's just kind of punching through it. Like at that point, it's not even like that relevant anymore. It's just kind of, it will just cause more confusion more than anything really. But this right here looks pretty clear. Damn, that's a thick ass arrow. So right now, price is bouncing off of this support zone right here, coming off this zone, just boom, 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 doing this thing. I'm gonna go into the 1 hour. Let's see, get some more details. I can't really see too much happening right now. Actually, let me put this arrow down right here. Yeah, that looks a little better. Honestly, let me see, 1, 2. I can't really see anything right now off top, so I cannot really see anything. So I'm gonna go to EG and do the same thing daily. Let's see what's happening right there. I don't like to force anything. If I see it naturally, just boom, then I could go ahead. If I'm overthinking it, I don't even want to hesitate too much. Because if I hesitate too much, I'm gonna start thinking even more, and then nothing happens, man. I have to really flow with this shit. Let me delete all this. This is more distracting than anything. So daily looks like we got a clear downtrend going on right here. Put this downtrend line right here. Just rejected a trend line. It's coming down. And it could also be a resistance zone right here. Boom. Yeah, nice and clean, nice and clean. All right, now I'm on a 4-hour. Let's see what we got going on right here. So there's a clear rejection coming down right here. And this, I could probably redo this real quick. Make this just a little smaller. It's a little too big for my taste. Yeah, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. Yeah, so it looks like there's some rejection right here. Yeah, it's just kind of like right, boom, right there, right there, right there. And the reason I put it right there, well, you can see all these wicks right here. Wicks are really interacting with this zone. It did break through right here, but honestly, I think it's still valid enough for me to put that there. So now I'm going to go into the 1 hour. Here we go. We got some more info. We got some more info. Matter of fact, I don't even want to use the arrow. I'm going to just use the line. That's why I use the lines, because they're just so straight. It kind of looks like it's, I want to say like right right there, probably. I could delete these two. Usually I use the red ones for daily zones, but right now I'm just gonna use it as a 1 hour zone. All right, let me see. Cool. So there's one thing that I could do. First, I'm gonna fix this, and that's the thing is that support and resistance designs could be so malleable. Like it's never going to be exact. That's why it's a zone. And although I am using lines, I do understand that, but it's just easier to do a line versus, boom, doing that. Because then with a line, I could look back and in the past, look days before, weeks before, see how the price interacted in the past. But right now, look, it's looking like a clean boom, broke right here. It actually kind of came back up, broke right here. And it looks like it's retesting, but I wouldn't go into it. It hasn't bounced away yet. So until it bounces away, then I'll definitely go into this. So, so let's say it keeps bouncing right there. It's gonna come back down. It might retest it even once more. You see, it's like I gotta be ready for anything. And then it'll just probably stop right here. So I'm gonna put an alert. I want to say probably like right, boom, right there, just to be safe. If I get this alert, I'm hop in this. Just gotta edit this real quick. Potential bearish move. That's it. That's all I'm gonna put. On to the next one. I don't even want to think about it. I'm out of here. USD CAD. And I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing, keep doing the same thing, keep doing the same thing, keep doing the same thing. It doesn't change. None of this changes. Oh yeah, I remember this USD CAD. Yeah, I remember when I was trading all of this, man. I had like 3 buys right here, took some profits on the demo account, obviously. But this demo period is like boot camp right now. So it's pretty choppy right there. It's not looking too good. Clear uptrend, It looks like it's struggling right here at this zone, but until then, I do have another alert right here. It looks like it just barely missed it. What? It looks like it hit it though. Oh my God. That's like nothing. I would just leave this alone until I get something. Have a good it hits that. A clear retest of the zone, then you give me more confidence and probably might target this next zone, but if not, I might just keep it short, do a little quick one-on-one right there. GBP USD. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is actually a prime example. So it's still going on the downtrend. Looks like it hit this daily zone and it's coming back up. Let's go into the 4 hour. See, this is not even relevant anymore because it just broke through. I don't even care for it like that. I guess it's still valid just because that boom, one tick, one wick, 2, 3, 4. A whole lot of madness going on right there. Let's see what's up in the 1 hour though. What's up with the 1 hour? I can't really see any potential setups right here. I mean, maybe that, but even then, look at this bearish move right here, just breaking through that zone. Like I said, if I don't see anything immediately, I'm not even gonna mess with that. Okay, same thing, Euro JPY. All right, daily downtrend coming down. Looks like it rejected this daily zone, coming back up. Same old. 4 hour. Oh wow, this is very consolidated. Look at all this. It's just staying in this little spot right here. See, this is why I gotta utilize alerts more, because it's like, what do I expect? What do I want? Not what do I want to happen? It's like I just gotta be prepared. I gotta be prepared for it all. It is a very strong rejection from the daily zone. If we even go out even further, when in doubt, zoom out. So it's coming from it since last year, 2020. But that's the thing, how relevant is that? I guess we could look at this right here. Boom, kind of hit this peak right here, started coming down again. Major consolidation, and then it just met this daily zone again. One hit right here, one hit right here. Might count these, but see, then again, those are like way too far, so I'm not even gonna count them. Get a little closer to the daily. Yeah, so there's a clear rejection. It's like, look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. Maybe even this one, but it's not touching it, but 5 for sure. I'm going to 4 hour. What's going on? What's going on in the 4 hour, man? What's happening in the 4 hour? We got, yeah, it's just choppy, man. All I see is choppiness, choppiness, choppiness. Ain't nothing to do here. It's just traveling to the side. So that's it for that one. Okay, man. AUD USD, and that's the thing too that I learned is, as much as I want a trade setup, as much as I want to place a trade, I have to know that even if I didn't place a trade today, that's totally fine. Because I think I used to think of it as, if I don't place a trade, I'm fucking up. I need to place a trade every day. I need to place a trade every day. But if I don't see a clear setup, then what's the point of, placing a trade? It's just gonna not hinder the progress, but it's just no point if I'm not following the trading rules that I've set for myself. So this one kind of looks similar to the one we were just looking at. This day rejecting this daily zone. I even put see, I put an alert right here, thinking it was going to go down, or in anticipation of it going down. It rejected this daily zone, and now it's coming back up. And now it's kind of stuck in between these two right here. Let's see, maybe we could get a potential trade on the upside. You know what, just because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and place this right there. Boom, 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 there we go. Potential bullish move. And really, these alerts, these what I'm doing right now, it's kind of new, putting more alerts, but I just want to put an alert when when I don't want the trade to be too deep in, but just kind of when it's still hot, when it's still fresh, still ready to be put in. Like, for example, if it breaks out right here and then retest it, and then boom, it gets up to like right here. This is only like what? How many pips is this? How many pips is this from? 20 pips in a move that in the trade that I'd probably place is something like this if it reaches that point that I'm looking at. No, 87 pips is too much. And I'll say probably like 50, 47. That's cool too. And then boom. Oh, but you know what? I should go based off the stop loss. I forgot. Let me go based off the stop loss. So go put it below the previous low. And probably like that. That's safe. So 63 actually. Yeah, 63. And although that is kind of up there, I think my next thing is, since a lot of the trades that I've been doing have been hitting my stop loss or going hella deep into profits and then just coming back down and then breaking even and then like consolidating right here around break even. what I think I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna place an alert right at the middle, and I'm also gonna place an alert right at the middle of the stop loss. So in the middle of the take profit, in the middle of the stop loss. So I'm gonna get that alert, and I'm gonna look at what price is doing exactly right there in the middle of the take profit. Get some more information, to see what is the bias, because if I could catch it halfway, I could potentially lose less money and gain more money, because I'd rather take half profits than have the trade just go up and down and up and down, messing around with my feelings and my emotions and just doing all this crazy stuff when I could just take half of the profits, boom, move on to the next trade, or if it's going down and I put that alert halfway to the stop loss, I'll just lose half instead of the whole thing going down and, taking out my stop. So yeah, nothing right here right now that I could see really. Let me go into the 1 hour too. I haven't gone into the 1 hour with this one just yet. So yeah, it's just looking choppy, man. It's just looking choppy as hell, choppy in the mug right now. So we finna leave this one alone, man. Let's hit a USDJPY. Look, so far I haven't hit no trades, man. But it's a Sunday too. This Sunday market, man, be hella slow, man. It's gonna drag a little bit. It's just starting to wake up. It's just starting to wake up. It's the beginning of the week. So let's see. Clear uptrend on a daily since what? It was coming down here and then boom. Since kind of like the beginning of the year, it just started to uptrend and he's been going up the whole time. USDJPY, bet. And I think I'm gonna just keep all these pairs too, just so I get familiar with all of these, because I do want to start getting into the feeling of what each pair is doing. Like the one I'm most familiar with right now is definitely USD CAD, because I spent a lot of time with this, especially during these 3 peaks is kind of when I spent a lot of time just looking at USD CAD. And every time I look at the chart on USD CAD, I know it's USD CAD. Even if you hide the USD CAD symbol, now look at this on the daily, I will know it's USD CAD just because these 3 peaks right here, and it's coming from a downtrend, and I want to be familiar with all my pairs like that. So it'll take some time, but I'm chilling. So it's going up. Having some hesitation right here on this daily zone that I put. Let's see what's up on a 4 hour. Yeah, look, it's looking consolidated right now too. Still looking kind of consolidated. Yeah, man. This whole going sideways, bro. This thing. I don't know. Man. It's looking a little weird, man. It's looking a little weird. So this clear zone right there. Couple little bounces. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Man, the way I was thinking about it too, the way I would describe this to a kid is like, if you see the long lines on it, like meaning the long wicks, just know that it's lagging. Like that's how I would describe it. Like just know that it's lagging. Spending a lot of time just kind of on the same candlestick. Let me see. I want to say that right there. Even though it kind of broke up here, but I was still this is one of those things that I've been looking at too, is like, the price will respect the zone right here. Boom, will kind of reach right here. I probably wouldn't count that. See, that's the thing, is that all of this is so malleable. The zones are so malleable, because then look, I could do it from the tops of these candlesticks, boom, like this one right here, and then this one right here, and then just kind of just throw my shit on right there. Boom, right there. Like that. Or I could put it at the top of these candlesticks, it's just so malleable. But I'm gonna stay with these for now. This looks more clear. And that's what I was gonna say is that I see price come out of a zone and then just come back into it like nothing. But Look at all this lag right here. All these wicks right here, just boom, boom, boom. Just three. Even on the upside, there's four whole ass wicks. Let me see. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how that lines up. Look how that lines up, bruh. Come on, man. Look, even right there. Even this, that's like the very, very top if you want to get super technical, and then this one right here. And that's why I like the lines like that. I might do something else where red is like the daily and black will be like my 1 hour, but I'll figure that out later. Yeah, it's just choppy, man. It's just choppy, man. What if I just get a little closer and just focus on this minimal detail right here, see what we got going on. Well, it looks like nah, I don't really see nothing. I don't really see nothing. I'm gonna keep on. Well, maybe right there, something like that. Oh, it could be a break. Boom, retest. It's looking good. It's actually that could actually be pretty valid. Coming from a downtrend, rejected. Boom, this zone right here came up, respected that zone, came back down. Boom, it broke this zone right here. It came back down and retested it. So I think it's fair. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Hell yeah. On our last trade. And I'm gonna go up to this next zone right here. Just boom. What 21 pips. Cool. And right here, 21 pips as well. Boom. Hell yeah. Oh, she going back up. She going back up. Oh. All right, cool. So I'm gonna hit this one. Yeah, cool. So nice. On the very last one, I was able to hit a trade. So I'm gonna stop sharing the screen. I'm gonna definitely hit this right after I stop this video. But cool. So that's kind of my analysis that I'm doing right now. I'm not planning on using Fibonacci. I'll probably just do this. What till February, something like that. So too much. Really, is just daily. I go on a daily. I scan for overall trend. I'll go on a 4 hour. I scan for the trend right there. Add support resistance. Obviously on the daily, I put support and resistance. And then on the 1 hour is really where I do my entries. I like doing my entries on that 1 hour because, if I do the entries in a 4 hour, 6 hours, 6 candlesticks is a whole day. And usually if I do 4 hour trades, they could take up to 2 weeks sometimes, just to hit my take profit. So now I'm doing a smaller time frame, 1 hour. You'll probably hit TPs, 8 to 24 hours or something like that, depending on the trade. But that's what I'm doing right now. I might fuck with, damn, I don't know. I gotta stop cussing. Well, actually, it don't really matter actually, because I don't even have 1,000 subscribers, so I can't get money yet. Yeah, man. So I might add the Fibonacci. I might add the moving average. Those are two that I've kind of played with before. But other than that, I'm gonna keep it straight and simple. I do not want to complicate nothing. Like I'm gonna keep it straight and simple. I'm gonna dabble with Forex, and then I'm double indices after. So ABZ from the 323Z, AB from the 323. Man, I'm out.